Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Crypto Kowalski, and today we're going to cover how to get some free onions with the DeepOnion wallet. What's pretty cool with the DeepOnion Faucet, you pretty much could get some free onions, and it literally takes, I would say, within seconds. I'm going to run a speed test so we can see how fast we can accumulate some onions. So first you'll just want to go to the faucet. So the faucet's going to be here, it's going to be this website, it's going to be DeepOnion.space. And when you go to DeepOnion.space, it's going to say you can get free onions, and you can actually get it up to 4 times a day, which is pretty cool. It'll show the price right now, it'll show the ranking and the market cap, so it's another cool resource too, so you can see exactly where everything stands. What you'll do is just click I'm not a robot, that'll be checked off, or you can just match the pictures. And then this is where you're going to type in your DeepOnion wallet address, so I'm just going to copy my address over. And then I'm just going to paste it in. I have a timer here, so we're going to see how fast we can get the onions now. You ready for the test? Let's do it. So all we're going to have to do is we're going to hit send me onions, and I'm going to start this timer here now. I'm going to set a 24-second clock because it shouldn't take longer than that. And let me open up my wallet here. That way I can have that on the side, and that way I can time it when it actually arrives. So we're going to click it here. Actually, I'm going to start the timer first here. And let's see how fast it is. 7 seconds is what I got. So in 7 seconds, it'll arrive right into your wallet. So you can see it here now. You'll see this 0.00111563 onion. So it's already showing as unconfirmed, but it's going to confirm pretty quickly too. See how quick it confirmed? I think it was another 5 seconds and it confirmed it too. So there you have it. Easy way to get free onions. Can't beat free. If you like this channel, please like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.